Hello viewers and my dear students. Once again welcome in a lecture series of concrete technology. In the previous lecture we have gone through the introduction of concrete. Now we will go through the introduction of cement. So let us know more about history of cement. In 1759, southwestern England, the Smeaton, one of the scientists, found that a mix of lime, clay and crushed slag can form iron making. Then he used that production for producing a mortar which is hardened underwater. That was the first time when lime as a binding material was used to make the binding mortar. After that, in 1824, officially a patent for Portland cement was filed by Joseph Asbadin. He produced mortar or that material by firing or burning finely ground clay and limestone until the limestone was calcined. So that was the first time where officially patent was registered by Joseph Asbadin, and the name Portland was given to the cement because when Joseph Asbadin made a concrete from that Portland cement, it was look like Portland stone. This Portland stone was widely used as a building stone in England in those days, and hence since that day the Portland cement or that cement is commonly called as ordinary Portland cement, that is OPC. After that, in 1904, for Indian scenario, the cement was first manufactured by company South India Industrial Limited, Chennai. So since that the manufacturing companies are growing in India, and this is a brief about history of cement. Let us go in detail for cement. Introduction. First we will see the definition of cement. The artificial material which is manufactured by burning and grinding of raw materials at high temperature is known as cement. Whatever the material which is artificially produced by burning and grinding of various raw materials at high temperature, and then whatever is the output, the final product in the powder form is called as cement. So from this you can find that approximate flow diagram for the manufacturing of cement. So raw materials are naturally available. They are processed together by burning and grinding, and then the final product will be prepared as cement. So the definition: the artificial material which is manufactured by burning and grinding of raw materials at high temperature, which is known as cement. So the next point of discussion: what is the role of cement in concrete? Why one should use cement in the concrete production or concrete work? So let us know more about role of cement. Very first point, cement acts as binding agent to bind aggregates, that is fine and coarse aggregate. As all of you know, in concrete we are using fine aggregate and coarse aggregate together. To bind both the aggregates we require cement. So cement plays a role as a binding agent to bind both fine and coarse aggregate together in presence of water. Secondly, the cement slurry is useful to give finishing to concrete by covering aggregate particles. Yes, when the cement slurry is formed by addition of water and cement together, that cement slurry will cover the aggregate particles easily, and ultimately the concrete will get more smooth finishing. And that is the second importance of the cement used in concrete. Thirdly, higher grade cement is useful to give high strength to the concrete produce. Yes, of course, when cement is having sufficient strength or better strength, then and then ultimately concrete will get the higher strength or required strength. If the cement is of having lesser strength or low grade, and in that case definitely the concrete produce ultimately will possess the lesser strength accordingly. Number 4, cement is responsible to increase load carrying capacity of normal concrete. Yes, of course, if you are interested to construct the multi-storied building in place of G+1 structure, definitely that multi-storied building should have sufficient load carrying capacity, and we can increase that load carrying capacity by using 53 grade of cement in place of normal 33 or 43 grade cement. So definitely cement becomes one of the responsible item to increase the load carrying capacity of the concrete. Finally, cement is also responsible to ensure more durability of structures. Yes, of course, when cement gives high strength and high load carrying capacity to the particular concrete and ultimately to the structure, we can ensure the more durability of the structure. Durability is nothing but life of structure. So when there is a concrete construction, always the concrete should have enhanced durability of up to 100 years maximum, and we can ensure such type of enhanced durability only by using cement. So these are several uses or roles of cement in concrete work. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll see some more points in next video. Thank you very much.